This is our new model G2, and you will see this is it has two cameras, one front cameras and back camera. The back camera like this, and this one where there is three wires. Yellow wires connected to the long power, red wires connected to the ACC, black wire connected to the ground, and there is one green wire. Green wire is the AO wire, AO output. This port is for the SOS button, panic button. This is the GPS. This is the real dash camera. When we install it, like this, this part we can adjust. This part.